Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to rename your Apple AirTag using the Find My app. You bought yourself a new AirTag and you've given it a name, but after some days, you've decided you want to attach the AirTag to something else. Since you'll attach it to something else, the AirTag needs to be renamed. So let me show you how to change the name of the AirTag on your Find My app. Open the Find My app on your iPhone. Now tap on the Items tab at the bottom. Depending on how many AirTags you have connected to your iCloud account, tap on the AirTag you want to rename. Scroll all the way down and here you'll see the option to rename your AirTag. Tap on it. Here you can choose a predefined name or you can choose a custom and give it a unique name. Next, change your emoji for this AirTag. Press done once complete and your AirTag name will be changed. And that is how to rename your Apple AirTag using the Find My app. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below if this worked for you. I make similar tutorials on a daily basis, so please consider subscribing to see more. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.